Example. Construct a triangle ABC of sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Draw a triangle A-BC- similar to triangle ABC, each of whose side is 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Steps of construction. Take a line segment BC of length 4 cm, with B and C as respective centers and radii 3 cm and 5 cm. Draw two arcs intersecting each other at A. Join AB and AC. This constructs triangle ABC. Draw any ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to the vertex A. Locate 3, the greater of 2 and 3 in 2/3, points B1, B2 and B3 on BX so that BB1 is equal to B1, B2, which equals B2, B3. Join B3, C. From B2, draw B2C' parallel to B3C by making corresponding angles equals intersecting BC in C'. Now draw a line through C' parallel to the line CA to intersect BA at A'. The triangle A'-BC' is the required triangle.